Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So the Disneyland mobile app lets you join the walk-up list at the participating table service restaurants when reservations aren't available. If the restaurant has same-day availability, you can add your party to the wait list directly from the app and receive a notification when your table is ready. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to join a restaurant walk-up list in the Disneyland mobile app, perfect for getting a table without an advanced reservation. So first thing, open the Disneyland mobile app. Start by launching the app. Open the Disneyland app, sign into your Disney account if needed, and you are ready to search for a restaurant now. Okay, so find the restaurant, look at the restaurant you would like to visit, tap the search icon or use the map. Okay, open the restaurant's information page. If the restaurant supports walk-up dining, you will see a join walk-up list option when it's available. Join the walk-up list. If the walk-up seating is available, tap join walk-up list, enter your party size if prompted, and review the estimated wait time, and then tap join or continue. So your party will be added to the restaurant's wait list. After that, wait for a notification. After joining, keep the Disneyland app open or enable notifications. Stay near the restaurant if instructed, and monitor your estimated wait time. So you will receive a notification when your table is ready. Then check in when called, once your table is available. Return to the restaurant entrance if you are not already there. Follow the instructions in the app or from the notifications, and check in with the host or cast member if requested. So thank you guys for watching this video, and see you in the next tutorial.